Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Ticketmaster how to accept transfer tickets. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To accept transfer tickets on Ticketmaster, first what you need to do is check your email or text message. Look for a ticket transfer invitation from Ticketmaster. This will contain our accept tickets link. Then all you gotta do is select the accept tickets link. Then this will direct you to sign into your Ticketmaster account. If you don't have an account, you need to create one using the same email address to which the tickets were sent. Then once there, what you need to do is simply sign in with your account, and then once accepting the transfer, your tickets will be available in the My Tickets section on your Ticketmaster account. On the bottom of your My Events tab, simply tap on that, and there your accepted or transfer tickets will be shown right there. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.